this video, you will learn 4 AI bots that will help you advance your YouTube automation or your YouTube promotion ads. And the best thing about it is that all 4 of these AI bots are completely free so that you can get free advertisement. The 4 AI bots that I'm going to be going over with you in this video will help you scale your affiliate marketing business or your YouTube automation. And if you don't know what YouTube automation is, it is faceless YouTube videos. So the AI bots will give you a script, it will help you make a voiceover, and also it will give you a full video that you don't even have to edit yourself. It can take you less than 20 minutes to get a full YouTube video uploaded, and the best thing is that you're barely doing any work at all. It's literally as simple as telling the AI bot what you want in your video and it'll do all the work for you. Be sure to watch this whole video because you don't want to miss any of these important steps so that you can make sure you have the best content, the best ads that AI can make. My name is KINGLATTA, this is Black Investors Group, where we do make investing easy over here and we post daily, so hit that subscribe button, join the family, and stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So the first piece of AI that I want to go over, you probably heard of it before, is one of the most popular, but it's called ChatGPT. ChatGPT, in other words, OpenAI, and this software will help you create a video script, guys. You can ask it any question you want to and it'll answer, guys. You can even get a whole essay written for your college professor. But the thing about ChatGPT is if your college professor types in on ChatGPT, is this original or not, ChatGPT remembers every single response that it gives out, and it'll tell your professor that, you know, you've plagiarized your work. But ChatGPT is awesome for businesses, guys, because businesses don't check and see if you plagiarize. You can easily get a script made for whatever video niche that you need. So example, say we have some type of medical product that we're trying to sell. Let's just go with Exipur for example, and you would simply just ask ChatGPT to make you a script for the product Exipur, and you would tell ChatGPT something like, make me a 30-second ad for a YouTube commercial so that I could convert more sales. Then the AI will simply do its magic and it'll write you a script for your ad commercial. Or like I said, guys, if you are doing YouTube animation, if you are trying to do faceless YouTube videos, financial niche, the education niche, and even the technology niche are some good niches that have a high CPM rating. And if you don't know what a CPM and an RPM is, it's pretty much the difference between what you actually make on YouTube versus what YouTube pays you. So it'll say that you make a $40 per 1,000 views, but in all reality, you will be getting paid $20 because YouTube takes half of your profit. But if you are in the faceless video niche, you would simply type in ChatGPT, make me a video describing, you know, how health products can benefit your overall lifestyle. So once you have this script, guys, then you would take it over to another AI website called Lovo.ai. Over on Lovo.ai, this is where you would get your voiceover. This is where you would get your transcript turned into a robotic voice, and you could choose many voices in the app. Now there is a couple of membership options that you could choose from for Lovo.ai, but they do have a free option. Once you have this voiceover, guys, now you have half of your video. You have the script, you have the voiceover. Now all you need is something visual to see, guys. You need the video. You need the main entree of the video, and this is where the third AI software would come in. And this third software is called Before I go into this third AI bot, guys, I want to make sure you guys go on the link in the description. Check out all the useful links, man. We do have a lot of ebooks on a lot of ebook store, and you do have YouTube memberships where you can get exclusive investing tips for a very cheap price over on the YouTube memberships. Go ahead and subscribe for that. And also, guys, I do accept coaching calls. You can schedule a 10 to 30-minute conversation with me, and I will answer any questions that you need about starting your online business, starting a trucking business, and even starting a dispatching business. Because if you don't know, we are specialized in trucking videos over here as well as making money online. So you can see a bunch of videos throughout my channel on trucking. So if you want to start a 6-figure trucking business and make 6 figures in just 1 year, go ahead and schedule a coaching call today. Also, in that coaching call, you can schedule an online store consultation where I will help you create a full online store for only a very cheap price. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Back to the video. So this third AI software is called nvideo.io. nvideo will make you a full YouTube video that'll go completely with your voiceover, guys. So it'll listen to the voiceover that you've inputted into the system, and it'll create pictures, it'll create video based on what the words are saying that you've put in the transcript. So by using OpenAI and using Lovo and using InVideo, these 3 AIs can help you create a full YouTube video, and you had to do no work at all. You didn't have to create a script, you didn't have to get somebody to do the voiceover or do it yourself, and also you don't have to edit a video that maybe takes some people 3 hours to edit. You simply have a full ready to go YouTube video in under 30 minutes, and now what you would do with this is post it on YouTube, guys. Make this consistent, post it every day. If you are trying to do YouTube automation and you are trying to post faceless YouTube videos, I do suggest going into niches such as the financial niche, the education niche, you know, teaching something, or even, guys, the technology niche, and also another one is the health and fitness niche. Those are the 4 best paying niches on YouTube. And if you are trying to get these YouTube video ads for affiliate marketing, guys, and you don't know the next step for affiliate marketing, all you would have to do is run a Google AdSense account to that YouTube video. If you want to see more details on how to run ads on your Google AdSense account linked to your YouTube video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man, and hit that notification button because I will be posting that pretty soon. But wait, guys, we do have a 4th AI, man. This 4th AI will help you promote all of your YouTube videos, and this is called clips.opus.pro. It's called Clips Opus, but what this will do is it'll take your YouTube video. You would simply upload a YouTube video onto the link that it says copy and paste, and then it will upload that video, and it'll take your full YouTube video. It can be 10, it can be 20, it can be an hour long, and it'll compose it into many different clips. As long as it's a 5-minute YouTube video, it will compose your YouTube video into 10 different small TikTok clips. By TikTok clips, I mean that it will turn your landscape YouTube video into a portrait Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or even TikTok videos, so that you can start promoting for absolutely free over on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even YouTube Shorts. Now this would be more so for the faceless and YouTube automation niche, but if you are doing YouTube ads just for ad purposes, this can still help as well because you can still drive traffic to what product you're selling. And spoiler, guys, if you need further direction on how to get these affiliate products, you would go to clickbank.com, create you an account, and go to the affiliate marketplace and start getting these links to affiliate products. And with these affiliate products, guys, you have to do no work at all, and you can start making hundreds of dollars each day just by posting a link and running ads to it. But like I said, man, you want more information on that, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that post notification button because we do post every day. That is it for this video on the 4 AI bots that will help you promote your YouTube ads, guys, and that can help you make your full YouTube automation YouTube channel. Don't forget to check out Opus Pro, where you can get free advertisement for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even YouTube Shorts for your faceless YouTube channel. Literally can turn one YouTube video into 10 TikTok posts, and you can post all 10 of those a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and get, you know, hundreds of TikTok followers a day that will convert back to your YouTube channel, at least 10 subscribers a day. Please leave this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the family so that you can learn how to make this money the easiest way possible, because this is Black Investors Group, where we do post daily and we do make the money the easiest way as you can think of. My name is KINGLATTA. Until tomorrow, we out. Woo!
You talking money, want all of it, please. I broke before, got me stuck in a dream. I want my family over.
And don't forget to check out the useful links in the description, man. We do have coaching calls where you can get a consultation so you can get your business started up, or any questions you have about this affiliate marketing and YouTube automation.